In this video, I will talk about interest rate. What's interest rate? The rate at which the borrower pays interest for using the loan for a specified period is called interest rate. Interest rates are usually expressed as an annual percentage rate. Interest can be divided into two categories, namely simple interest and compound interest. In simple interest, interest is not added with the principal amount. But in compound interest, interest is added with the principal amount. The formula to find out simple interest is A equal P multiplied by 1 plus R to the power T, where A denotes final amount, P as initial principal balance, R as annual interest rate, and T as time in years. To figure out compound interest, the formula is as under: A equal P multiplied by 1 plus R divided by N whole to the power N into T, where A denotes final amount, P as initial principal balance, R as annual interest rate, N as number of times interest applied per time period, and T as time in years. If present value, future value, and number of periods are given, then annual interest rate can be calculated using the present value or future value formula. For clarity, let's move to the Excel sheet. As you can see on the screen, future value, present value, and number of periods were provided. For computing interest rate with the given data, at first we need to put equal sign, then type RATE, double tap on it to see the function, then click on C5 cell for number of periods, put comma, as there is no payment, type 0, put comma, then click on C4 cell for present value, put comma, type minus, and then click on C3 cell for future value, put comma, type 0 to show end of the period, close the bracket and press the enter key. As you can see, the interest rate is 8%. Thanks for watching the video.